Hello loves, thanks for joining me. This is the Oracle of the Feather Crown Tree, and we are going to do the weekly throat chakra reading today. Our center card is for that chakra itself. The one on the left here is a message coming from the Earth Star chakra, and the card on the right is a message that is going to come through from the Universal chakra. So these two energies are here to assist the mundane chakra, help it evolve, help it ascend in its energies. I feel like we have a lot of mirroring energies so far here, kind of a lot of echoing of elements. So we'll see what actually is going to come through. So I am getting a feeling of movement, of maybe going somewhere. There may be some traveling actually going on. You may be traveling in a group, or this may be for a group. There may also feel as if you're on a mission, and that in order to accomplish this mission, you need to have a sense of direction. And it may take you outside of your comfort zone, or you may need to maintain your comfort zone by going somewhere else. This feels fairly communication oriented too, that it's dealing with things that may be a little bit more, that may be a little more intellectual, with a tinge of spirituality, a concern for our divinity. And it does feel like it's grounded in love, it's moved by love. There's some passion going on here, a little bit of, not so much passion, but like energy, like you feel motivated to do this. And there may be some creativity coming into the process as well that's going to assist the process itself. So again here I see, this idea of moving in or out of a space or place that is not really your true zone. And I do not feel like you'll be doing this completely alone. This could be with a group, could be just in partnership with a like-minded person. So this isn't people that are assisting you that are really different in mentality from you. The terrain that you are in feels not so right for you. So maybe you are acknowledging that you need to be in something that feels more like your true environment. And this just may be an acknowledgement too that things do change, that there are cycles, and that we need to adapt as things are evolving, that we need to adapt with them. And things that were once perfect for us and seemed right could have transformed, and if we don't transform in alignment with them, then we need to then be with something else that is more in alignment with us. Now, because this is, about communication, I feel like this may not necessarily involve actual travel, but it may involve like who you are keeping company with, who you are speaking with, your ability to speak for things that are uncomfortable, your ability to speak and redefine the terrain of something and help recreate things so that they are more comfortable for people that need to inhabit spaces. So this could be sort of a social justice issue that is coming up and being talked about. Now, we'll look here. And I am just getting a strong confirmation from one of the thoughts I had about the, coming together and placing yourself in a space that feels right and with individuals that feel right. And I am very much getting that that is extremely necessary, that we go and we thrive in the environments, or we create these environments around us that are about what we truly have in our heart, that express and reflect the beauty in our heart, if our heart is beautiful. And that it not only serves us as humans, but it serves the entire reality around us. It serves all the sentient beings, whether they're stones, flowers, any type of plant, animals, and protects the waters as well, keeps them living. And that there is a passion about this, like a feminine energy type of passion of nurturing this, of leading with that type of care and protective quality that energy can bring. So we are going to end the reading there, and tomorrow's the third eye, so join if you can.